Hi everybody, I'm Sal Capaccio. You know, every great team has a journey. Today, we're talking with one Northtown employee who's turned his career into an incredible journey, and that is Mike Glieco here at Northtown, a fixed director. Mike, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
What is a fixed director, and take us through your role?
Sure. So as a service director, work directly with the service managers, customer relations, employee development, and customer satisfaction.
What got you into the automotive industry to start?
Well, I always loved working with my hands. Right out of high school, I knew I wanted to be a hands-on career. Attended the Harkness Training Center back in 2009 and led my way into the automotive industry.
And now you've worked your way up to director. How did that happen?
Yeah, it's been a journey. I was a technician for a number of years, and I've reached a point where I wanted to try something new. I was able to take a different path and started as a service advisor. Did that for, again, a number of years. I had the opportunity to advance again and had the chance to be a service manager, and then led into a service director role.
What did Northtown do specifically to help you in your role to grow into a leader?
Yeah, so Northtown offers a whole new level of support, leadership, allowing me to get to that point. They're always investing in training, investing in development, which allowed me to have this opportunity.
If someone just kind of walked in and was kind of a bit maybe skeptical of how this could lead to a career path, you're a guy that's done that for them. What would be your message to someone saying, hey, you come in here, you have a chance to rise and be a leader, and the possibilities are endless?
So we want to be completely clear and give them the vision on what they got to do to be successful with us, right? We want to lay it all out on the table, and this is the steps that you have to take, again, to be successful with the company.
Training, facility, tools, how does Northtown support somebody and the departments in that regard?
Yeah, so there's a handful of options that you can that we offer, from tool allowance to tuition reimbursement to hands-on training to classroom training. Always sending technicians out, advisors out to industry training, manufacturer training to continue to grow themselves.
As we know in sports, great teams take a lot of different kinds of people to make a roster. How about here at Northtown? What kind of person can thrive here at Northtown?
Yeah, so we always want to continue to invest in our employees. We want to see them succeed. If we let them fail, then we're not doing our job, right? So again, we are always trying to build our cultures for people that want to be a part of with Northtown and continue to be successful.
How did going to BOCES and be a part of that program help shape you and your career and path?
Again, it was a hands-on thing. I wanted to get right into the industry, right? I wanted to get right into the field, make money and be successful, right? So that's what I did. And again, I had the opportunity to, I showed my dedication, I showed my dedication to Northtown and my hardworking skills, and they gave me the path to be successful with them.